Welcome to our guide on how to effectively use social media to engage with your B2B target audience. Let's dive in. First, identify key decision makers. With Infine's B2B data solutions, you can easily pinpoint the right people in your target organizations. Next, choose the right social media platforms. Focus on where your target audience spends their time, like LinkedIn for professional engagement. Share valuable content that includes data insights. This positions you as a thought leader in your industry and provides value to your audience. Be proactive. Respond to inquiries and join relevant discussions. Engaging directly with your audience shows that you care and are attentive to their needs. Leverage Infine's data to create targeted ads. This ensures that your marketing efforts reach the right people, maximizing your ad spend effectiveness. Showcase your expertise. Share case studies, success stories, and expert opinions to build credibility and trust with your audience. Build relationships using data-driven strategies. The more you understand your audience, the better you can connect and foster meaningful interactions. Monitor your efforts and adjust based on performance analytics. Understanding what works and what doesn't is key to continuous improvement. Stay consistent and data-focused. Regularly review your strategies and ensure they align with your data insights for sustained engagement. Combine Infine's B2B data solutions with effective social media tactics for maximum impact. Reach out now for a demo and observe the gains. Your business deserves the best tools for success. Thank you for watching. Let's elevate your B2B marketing together.